Hello everyone, this is Matinik, and today I got this movable fan. I'll put the link down in the description below if you want to check this one out. I'm gonna do the unboxing, and this is a camping or a portable rechargeable fan. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So we have here the charger. Alright, let's see what we have here on the charger. So this one is rated to 100 to 240 volts. Output is 13.5 volts and 1770 milliamps. So it's a dedicated charger. We have here the specification. Alright, so the battery capacity is 21,700. It's 2 to 3 hours for the charging time. Alright, so this one can swivel 270 degrees angle. Alright, so this one has a built-in LED lights as well. So let's remove this, insert, padding. To turn on the light is just press the button, and then has a 3 mode. We have here the battery level, 25, 50, 75 and 100%. And on this side is going to be the speed modes, and let's go ahead and try turning it on. Alright, that is the speed mode 1, speed mode 2, speed mode 3, and the high. And let me turn it off first. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. You can actually charge your phone using this USB-A port. It's a 5 volt 1 amp max charging port right here. Good thing with this one is you can charge it and use it at the same time. So we're gonna try that later on. And then on the bottom here, there's like a mounting slot if you wanna mount it on a wall. And on the other side here we have a slot to hang it on a rope. This is actually a powerful fan for its size. The fan is lightweight and it's well constructed, and it's made of solid ABS plastic. So I'm gonna try plugging it in and charge it at the same time. Okay, yeah, so it's actually charging at the moment, and you can use there you have it, guys, and thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video is helpful. If you are looking for a rechargeable portable camping fan, I would highly recommend this one, and you won't get disappointed. And if you like this video, hit like, share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I do appreciate that. See you on my next one, and thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Matinik signing off.